In this epilogue we will talk about triumphing over the 6 ghosts of fear. We will confront the 6 primal fears that cast shadows over our journey: fear of poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears, common to all, can eclipse our potential for success. Yet, their conquest opens the gateway to limitless achievement. To emerge victorious, we must vanquish 3 inner foes: indecision, doubt, and fear. These adversaries corrode our connection with the 6th sense, hindering access to infinite wisdom. Breaking this cycle involves seizing control of our mind's helm, redirecting it towards conscious decision-making. By banishing these obstacles, we unfurl a map towards the pinnacle of accomplishment. Witness the potency of this philosophy through luminaries who triumphed over fear. Here are some examples. 1. Henry Ford's automotive vision. Ford defied fear to birth the Model T, revolutionizing transportation. 2. Eleanor Roosevelt's resilience. Roosevelt's fortitude propelled her into activism, becoming a beacon of strength. 3. Michael Jordan's hoop mastery. Fear of failure couldn't dim Jordan's basketball brilliance. 4. Malala Yousafzai's courage. Yousafzai overcame fear to champion girls' education and earn a Nobel Prize. 5. Walt Disney's Dream Kingdom. Disney's empire bloomed despite setbacks, showcasing the victory over fear. The blueprint for triumph is to begin your odyssey with an ardent desire, crafting a resolute statement that encapsulates your intent. Embrace autosuggestion to root your desire deep within, displacing negativity with prosperity consciousness. Stoke your creative imagination, painting vibrant mental pictures of your aspirations. Nurture persistence using the 8 strategies, fostering unwavering determination. In this voyage, confront indecision head-on, aligning your choices with your desires. Garner specialized knowledge, giving in return for what you seek. Harness your imaginative prowess, leveraging sexual energy as a mind stimulant. As your faith swells, amplify your communication with infinite intelligence. Whether seen as supernatural or heightened awareness, the 6th sense guides you to solutions. Partake in this transformative journey, embracing desire as your beacon, and watch failure retreat. Your adventure commences with the power within, the power to choose, to shape, and to triumph. As we arrive at the end of this playlist, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for having you here. If you share my passion for self-development, kindly share in the comments if there's a book you're eager to see summarized in the future. Numerous individuals have expressed interest in this book, Think and Grow Rich, and though producing videos demands time, when numerous requests converge, they inevitably find their way into realization. If these content resonated with you, I kindly encourage you to tap the like button and consider subscribing to the channel, if you haven't already. Once again, thank you immensely. We invite you to also check the other playlists and wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.